People love Grass Valley because of its iconic charm and location. Wherever you are, you're minutes from hiking trails, several bodies of water, amazing shops and restaurants, and halfway between Sacramento and Tahoe. And if location is important to you, you are going to love today's property. Here in the Timberwood Estates, you're literally walking distance from shopping, restaurants, and medical services. Plus, a perk of this HOA, all of the front yard landscaping is taken care of for you. Welcome to 135 Timberwood Drive. With over 2,000 square feet, this coveted flowing floor plan combines the best of both worlds. It's both super roomy and very homey. I love the great room concept. With an integrated living room, dining room, and kitchen, plus the high ceilings, it really elevates the feeling of spaciousness. Something this floor plan has that none of the others do is this grand entrance to the primary with double wide doors. And this primary has a gorgeous soaking tub with beautifully tiled walk-in shower. Plus, 2 of the 3 bedrooms have expansive walk-in closets. This house isn't even 3 years old, so it's got all the benefits of a brand new home, like owned solar, smart thermostat, and tankless water heater. But in addition, this home has been lovingly upgraded with a whole house security system, Hunter Douglas window treatments, and the best part, a fully hardscaped backyard. Contact me today. Let's get you into this stunning home.